Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Just doing a quick summary of the day. So my first trade in London was my 5-minute trade that I take. We'd come up, swept the previous day's high, and we'd form a triple top here. We had this great IFVG entry, but it essentially played out before my session started. So my session starts here at 4 a.m. And yeah, it had played out before I could get in. So I was looking for another trade. I was looking to see price hold here essentially, and then perhaps hold here, pull back for a bit, and then break down again. But instead, what we'd got was a little reversal from this range. So essentially, we've been playing this range. We'd held this level a few times now. We've held the top a few times. So I thought that I could play a pullback into the range, and that ended up working out. So I just got the entry. I was looking for this candle, but it didn't set up right with the wicks here. So when we closed here, nice candle, pull back into the range, took it, and it hit my take profit quite easily. And yeah, it essentially just swept this level, trapped people who wanted a further long, and then reversed there. But I was out of my trade, so I didn't really mind it. If you hadn't taken that trade, you could have taken the IFVG here. So once we closed below this this fair value gap, once we closed below there, you could have waited for a pullback into this level and then taken the sell from there, and that would have been a really nice trade as well. There were a lot of trades good trades in the morning, so it was a really nice day in the London session. And then in terms of my 2-minute trading, so I tried the breakout strategy again. That worked out. It's the $150 there. So once we broke out of these lows, took a sell order for 30 ticks and played out perfectly. Obviously, we go a lot further than that, but I look forward. I don't really need to catch all of a trade or all of a move to make money, so I don't really worry about what happened afterwards. What was annoying was I couldn't find a trade all morning. So all through here, I was looking for a trade, couldn't see anything that I particularly liked. I was waiting for a pullback into these moving averages, but nothing really set up perfectly for me. I have essentially 3 entries I could take, and none of them hit. There was pretty much nothing that I could have traded here, so it was a bit frustrating. And then when I finally got a trade that I liked, we pulled back into the moving averages, swept these highs. Once we actually did that, then I took the sell order there, and it went around halfway to my take profit, but then it essentially reversed and stopped me out, and then ran a lot higher here. So a little bit frustrating on that trade, but it's not a big deal. I've had now. So if I look back at my trades that I've been taking on the 2-minute strategy, I've had 7 trades now that I've been trading with this strategy. 6 of them should have been wins. 1 of them was a loss because of me getting out of position. So essentially, I'm going to count that as win in terms of my strategy element. Obviously, it wasn't an actual win, but in terms of what I'm doing and the trades that I'm taking, essentially 6 wins and 1 loss. So all of the wins were 40 ticks. The 1 loss is 80 ticks. So it's not a huge amount of data, obviously, with just 7 trades of this, but it shows that there's a certain amount of profitability to what I'm doing. There's something in the system. And yeah, that's why I'm willing to run it on funded accounts in a few days, couple of weeks. But yeah, just want a little bit more data, and then I'll be good to go. So I didn't really mind this loss. It was a trade that I was completely happy to take. It just didn't work out in the end. The only slightly annoying thing was I needed a slightly wider stop of 80 ticks rather than the usual 60 ticks because of just how it's set up. But it caused me to lose a bit more, but it's not a big deal. But yeah, anyway, that's all of my trades for the day. So I'm pretty much sitting break even for the day. But I am enjoying having multiple systems, and some of them make profits, some of them make losses in the day. And hopefully, given that they seem to be good strategies, I'll have more winning days than losing days, and I'll have bigger wins than losses. Given that on most days you'd expect most of these trades to work out, and if one of them doesn't, then the other two should cover it, hopefully. But yeah, just happy with my trading overall. Over the last couple of weeks, I think I've been showing some, or last week or so, I've been showing some improvements, I think. And yeah, just happy where things are right now. But yeah, that's all from me today. Hope you had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye.